Hello, I am Muriel Webster, and I am the CEO of Dictionaries. And I am here with a very, very important announcement. So let me share my screen. Shall we? Now, I think that you should be able to see it now. And yes, we're having a retirement party. Happy retirement to the letter X. This is the biggest news, perhaps, since thorn was replaced with the letter Y. Very exciting indeed. Well, it is time to move on. We have learned that if big tech can downsize, if the federal government can downsize, so can we. We will right size our dictionaries. You may think this is a douche move, and you might be right that this is a douche move. Now, let's see the impact of the retirement of the letter X. So, you might, of course, think of xylophone because not many letters, not many words, I should say, start with the letter X. And in fact, it doesn't make any sense that xylophone ever started with the letter X. And so now it starts with the letter Z. When you open our dictionaries, it will be there just for you in the Z section, as will xenophobe, xyloid, and xennial. All of those formerly X words that are moving on. They are transitioning to another part of the dictionary. If they made the Z sound, kind of didn't make sense that they were in a different section with a different letter. And so now they are Z words. Now, I'm sure you're thinking about X-rays, of course. Well, I'm afraid there will be a bit more typing here. I'm I've made the executive decision that from now on it will be spelled ECKS. Yes, a little bit more typing, but sounds the same. X-ray. And ox, only one extra letter. OKS. Now, you might be thinking, especially if you're a giant mega corporation named Disney, what about the X-Men? EGGS. Eggsmen. If you're thinking nostalgic, Eggs Files. Now, perhaps I missed a part with the X-Men, so I should also mention that if you have a name perhaps that starts with X, EKS, Professor Xavier. Excellent. Now, what if you're a pirate? Yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum. Hmm? Well, how will you mark your treasure? Eggs mark the spot. It's perfect for pirates. Very easy to write. Only one stroke of the brush or the pen, as opposed to two before. Far easier. And now you never have to worry about losing your treasure. Now, what if, for instance, you were some type of megalomaniac who used this letter in the name of many companies? Well, I think you should probably see help, but I have a solution for you. Space eggs. And for a website whose name just starts with the letter X, eggs.com or eks.com. And think about it this way. Searching for one letter is pretty much impossible. But searching for eggs, searching for EKS, far, far easier. Now, I must thank East Coast Games for hosting this. I truly appreciate it because, in fact, nobody else was interested in talking about language. I don't know why. So thank you, East Coast Games, for allowing me to make and give this presentation. Ta-ta, and may you have an excellent night.